Are you tired of prospecting friends and family, doing parties, sending copy-paste scripts to strangers, and frankly chasing after everyone that you meet? Are you being accused that you're in some kind of pyramid thing? If you answered yes to any of these, it's time to take your business to 21st century and start building it using social media and using attraction marketing. I'm going to share with you 3 steps to make this most effective for you. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to prospect strangers or chase after their friends and family and enjoy the lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share a new episode helping you with your network marketing business every single week. And if you haven't yet, I also have free attraction marketing bootcamp that will help you grow your business online and attract your perfect prospects to you. Somewhere around this video or in the description, you will find the link to register. When I first started building my business, my son was only 2 years old and he was spending days in daycare all day long. And my whole goal was to have more flexible hours so I can build my business around him being at home with me using social media. There was not that many people that were using social media, so I did everything that I could in my power to learn and to find the best coaches, best mentors to teach me what they did and how they grew their business 100% online. In the beginning, I was able to recruit 8 people in my team in the first month. But after a while, all of them had an excuse and they quit. Nobody was actively building anymore. But then I was able to build a new team and that organization grew to about 800 people. But again, nobody was willing to do what I was doing and they pretty much stayed on the products because the products are amazing. They want to stay on them forever, but nobody was willing to build and grow the team anymore. So after 1-2 years, they all start dropping off. And I wasn't ready to quit. I was like, I'm gonna figure this out. I even put myself in debt, like over $30,000 in debt, but I was not going to quit. And then finally, I found attraction marketing and I started building it this way and it changed everything. I no longer was wasting time doing things that were uncomfortable for me and I started attracting perfect prospects to me. Like I would wake up in my inbox and have a list full of prospects ready to talk to me about what I'm doing. Benefits of building using attraction marketing are huge. Number 1, you generate fresh leads from wherever you are, whenever you want. You end rejection because you're now only talking to people who are highly qualified and who are already interested in working. And you don't have to spend hours on social media sending copy-paste messages. You don't even have to be techie. I'm not techie at all, but I figured this out. I'm gonna share with you what are the 3 steps. Number 1, we're gonna talk about mindset, but we're gonna talk about mindset in more practical way than like self-development type way. What I want you to understand is that you are where you are on this journey, that you have to have patience. When you are learning a new skill, new profession, you're giving it 2 to 4 years of college education, of different courses until you learn it. It's no different with network marketing. Like I said, I lost the team of 8 that I built in the first month, but the reason why I lost them because I did not have skills. I did not know how to lead network marketing team. So it's all a learning curve. You have to be okay with going through obstacles, overcoming obstacles, being resourceful, and also trust in the journey that you're on. Now, keep in mind, if you're building attraction marketing way, your upline may not agree with the way that you're building your business, but you gotta stay strong and nobody can tell you how to build your business. It's very natural for them, if they're building the old school way, to be in a fear of unknown. Everybody would be acting that way. And especially if you want to build it attraction marketing way, to have prospects coming to you, you gotta stand your ground and you gotta follow your personal journey. Number 2, you have to have practical blueprint to follow. It's a roadmap to get you from where you are to where you want to be. And in attraction marketing, there's 2 ways to do that. There's active way or passive way. Active is you posting, engaging, and interacting. This can be time consuming, but the great thing is that you can start with this right away. In fact, I recommend every new network marketer to start building their business actively using social media first until they learn a little bit of skills on how to communicate with people. Because once you start using passive strategy, this will become very handy. So what do you need? All you need is your Facebook profile and you're ready to go. So you will start making these posts that are going to be attracting your ideal prospects to you, interacting and having conversation. Passive is when people are reaching out to you. And for that, you need a good lead attraction system like what we teach in our attraction marketing bootcamp. So by the time you get on the call with any of these people, they're already 90% sold to be working with you in your team. And number 3 is mentorship. You need someone to show you step by step on how to use this blueprint to get you where you want to go faster. They will fill all the blind spots, they will keep you accountable, and they will keep you going where you are on your journey. And when you become a customer of attraction marketing, you also get a free coaching call, which is amazing. So go with the first step, start with the attraction marketing bootcamp first. The information that you will learn in there is what changed my life and my business forever. My question for you is, are you committed to take these first 3 steps to start building your business using attraction marketing? Hope you found value in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.